Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So I started off re-moisturizing her hair, and then boom, we going straight into the style, baby, okay? No time wasted over here. So right here, I am diagonally parting her hair from the back of her head to the front of her head, kind of going back and forth just to make sure that line meets in the middle. So now I'm going to be using that part as my guide, and now I'm working on the wave part. And if you don't know how to do a wave, just think of it as making a C. You're just making a whole bunch of C's up in this mug. We crips. No kidding, I'm kidding. Easy now, no need to go down. Rock that run, that this how we from. Easy now, no need to go down. Also, I want to add that I have perfected my wave part several times throughout this video. I just didn't show it because who wants to see all that? But yeah, the funkier your wave part looking, the more cool it's gonna look. So adjust as you go. So now I'm just going to be defining my parts, make sure, you know, they all nice and clean. And then I'm just going to begin braiding. Y'all, come look at this girl again. I don't know what they were saying. This video is muted, but look at the sash she's about to deliver. I don't know where she get that from. So all I did here was just part her hair random. I just had to make sure that both ponytails were even. And this is the finished hairstyle. Sorry for the cutoff. I had some technical difficulties with some footage. But if you guys like this braiding hairstyle video, go ahead and check out my other braiding hairstyle videos on my channel. And also like and subscribe. I would love for you to be part of the family. Come on, baby. See y'all in the next one.